Ang tanong ko po is, effective nga ba? Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, another DIY again, but it's for our skin. So guys, I tried this for almost 3 weeks already, or almost 1 month already. Okay? Ang tanong ko po is, effective nga ba? In today's video, makikita nyo po kung paano ko siya ginagawa sa aking sarili. Hindi po ako basta-basta lang mag-vlog for the views. I'm going to share this because this is my experience. So guys, we know, girls especially, that we always have problem to our armpit, to our elbows, and to our private part. So you know what I meant for that, right? So hindi ako mahihiya. I'm not perfect, okay? Before kasi I didn't know that wearing tight jeans, tight shorts, tight underwear is okay. But in the long run, I realized, and upon researching, na hindi pala maganda sa girls yun kasi nangingitim yung ating, alam niyo na, yung sa baba natin, and also yung ating bra, if it's always tight and we always wear tight clothes, it's gonna harsh our skin. So kasi ako guys, it's been when this pandemic starts, nag-stop din akong magpa-laser. Laser for my armpit and for my bikini line. Kasi alam nyo naman ako guys, di ba? Kung makikita nyo sa mga vlogs ko, I always go somewhere. I always wear swimsuits or tank tops. I mean, yeah, the sleeveless or anything that will show my skin. But since this pandemic, nag-stop po ako magpa-laser because, you know, they close as well. So laser means para matanggal yung mga hair natin sa skin, which is I just did 5 sessions. So pag nag-open na ulit yung salon na pinupuntahan ko, babalik na ulit ako doon to continue my session, para naman hindi na lagi akong magpa-pluck or mag-shave, kasi yun yung reason ng irritate ng skin natin. Yan yung reason kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng chicken skin. Okay? So since summer na po dito, kaya before like summer starts, maybe May, nagre-research na ako kung ano yung mga dapat kong gawin for my skin, for my to make it smooth. So ayun na nga guys, upon researching, I found out na malaking bagay pala itong aking ipapakita sa inyo, na how you call that, nagpa-whiten siya ng, although my underarm is light already, yung hindi po siya maitim, ang naging problema ko lang po is yung chicken skin. Yun nga, upon checking, yung pala, yung mga ginagamit nila, it's nasa ating bahay lang din. Kung for sure meron din kayo guys nito. Marami siyang nagagawa sa atin, maraming pinagkakagamitan ito sa buhay natin. Masyadong importante ito sa ating buhay. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin. Tama na yung daldal. Ipapakita ko na po sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginagamit ko. Ang pinakaunang-unang ginagamit ko is itong baking soda. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ito sponsored. It just happened na ito yung ginagamit ko. So, ang ginagawa ko lang po is imimix ko lang po ito either sa water or sa lemon. Nasa ibaba po kasi yung lemon kaya hindi ko siya mapakita. So, ito po yung pinaka main ingredient ko. So, guys, ang ginagawa ko po dito, bago ako maligo is gumagawa ako ng paste nito with lemon. Because you know naman guys, lemon whitens our skin. Alam nyo naman yun, diba? So, ang ginawa ko po, mamaya makikita nyo po kung ano yung paano ko siya ginawa. So, in-explain ko lang ngayon kung paano ko ginagamit. So, and guys, honestly, after using that, my skin is so smooth, like, as in, hindi ko siya ma-explain, basta smooth siya. And then, before, ang dami kong chicken skin, as in, pinakita ko nga siya sa sister ko the other day kasi we went somewhere, and then I'm wearing a dress, like a racerback dress, so I showed it to her. I raised my arms and then show it to her. She said, "Oh my God, what happened to your underarm? It doesn't have chicken skin anymore." I told her, this is what I did. So, yun na nga. Tinuro ko din sa kanya kung papaano. And I'm so excited to share it to you. Ang gagawin nyo lang po guys is every other day. So, 3 times a week nyo lang gagawin. Guys, please, 3 times a week. Kasi yun din po yung ginawa ko. Huwag po kayong magmadali. It takes time. Kasi wala naman pong bagay na in one snap makukuha mo kaagad, diba? Kailangan mong paghirapan, syempre. You know what guys? This one helps as well. This brand, this baby oil. I use the one with aloe vera, with aloe and vitamin E. Alam niyo naman kung anong benefits ng aloe vera and the vitamin E, right? To smooth skin as well. So after putting those, like the paste of baking soda and the lemon, wash it and then put this in our armpit, in our underarm, put it in our underarm to elbows, to our knees, and all the parts that you want to make it smooth. So after that, let it dry for a bit and then take your shower. If you don't want to take shower, just leave it like that and then rinse it. After cleaning it, I put toner. So it depends on you guys what toner you want to use. But me, I use this one, Mario Badescu. It you know, witch hazel is good as well, right? Witch hazel and rose water toner. Naubos na kasi yung aking isang toner, kaya eto muna yung ina-start ko kasi I heard maganda si Mario Badescu. Let's see. Excuse me, Mr. Mario Badescu. I'm okay for business. And also guys, after I took my shower, so I clean it again from the toner, right? Either I use this Mamala. This is from my friend. She asked me to try it. So it's almost done. I might ask her again. And sometimes if I don't, I remember that Mamala, I use this one. I'm sorry guys, I know some of you use it to your face. I got the rashes. So Yeah guys, too bad. So I'm sorry, I need to use this to my armpit, to my inner part. So yeah, this one helps as well to smoothen my armpit. You see, it's super nice. Try it guys, kasi wala namang mawawala, diba? Kasi they're cheap. Basta gawin nyo kung gusto nyo. Kung ayaw nyo naman, okay lang din. Pero I'm telling you guys that this one will help you to smoothen your skin and whiten your skin. Remember guys, 3 times a week only. Okay? So guys, eto na po yung tamang paraan kung paano gamitin yung baking soda and the lemon. Okay? So enjoy watching. So guys, ang kailangan lang po natin is 1 teaspoon of the baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and a lemon. You can use water as well, okay guys? So we're gonna make a paste from this. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon as well. See, there's a bubbles already. So we're just gonna mix it to make it a paste. Pag hindi pa siya enough, you can add some more, okay? Because I always, thank you airplane. So guys, where's that? Okay, no more airplane. So guys, look at my paste now. I don't make too much because it's only for today. So here you go guys, our paste, baking soda and lemon paste. Okay? So guys, ganito po yung ginagawa ko since kakatapos ko lang mag-run and walk for 1 hour. You see, until now, namumula pa din ako. Naglagay lang ako ng lipstick para presentable naman, right? So, yung paste na ginawa ko ay eto na yon. So, ang ginagawa ko before ako maligo is put it in my kilikili, rub it in circular motion like this, but make sure to be gentle, okay guys? So after this, i-leave ko lang siya ng 10 minutes and then I'll show you the next procedure, okay? Start doing this I think 3 weeks ago. So I'm gonna show you the picture later on, okay? So you know that something changed my life. So I put this as well in my elbow like this. Disclaimer guys, okay? So I'm not expert, but I just how you call that? Ni-try ko lang siya. You see guys? And then when you rinse this one, it's super smooth. Remember, lemon is used to lighten your skin or whatever because of this, the citric acid. And yeah, you see, before guys, it's so awful. you will see the chicken skin as in a lot. Now you look, it's so clean. Before I have a lot, like as in, you see here, it's not too much anymore. That's the wonder of the baking soda and the lemon. And also I'm gonna show you later after 10 minutes, okay? So guys, after 10 minutes, this is the paper towel and the cold water. So I'm just gonna wipe it away. After cleaning everything, I'm gonna use this one. I love to use this because there is aloe vera and vitamin E. So you know aloe vera is good for skin and also vitamin E. So again, baking soda, lemon, baking oil, toner, and then your either lotion or your how you call that, deodorant, but make sure it's doesn't harsh your skin, okay? So guys, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from my vlog today, and please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. You can even share, okay? So also please comment down below if you have something to share or if you want me to do something else, okay? So guys, until my next video, stay safe, God bless, I love you, okay? Bye. Mwah.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.